Yes, I'm telling you, I've been at it since this morning. I still haven't brushed my hair. It's like 7:30 at night. I don't know. We've been at it all day long. Um, I am absolutely filthy. We had such a big day with the lawn and preparing food, and we did a little bit of harvesting this morning, and we just got this random harvest now. But wow, it ended up being a day of total work. But you know, once I'm dirty like this, it's probably better because I don't even know what kind of dirt I have on my face. Tomorrow is a food day, so I'm gonna be at the sink all day with salad and chopping the vegetables, and this is hard. Thank God it was a beautiful day today, though. You know, the weather's gorgeous, and I'm out here harvesting, and I've got both neighbors that are attached to our fence line, enjoying their in-ground swimming pools and playing music and having company and having barbecues, and we're out here working every single night of the week. Filthy. No pool, no fun, it's not that this isn't fun, but you know, it's hard work. And when I look at the balance of things, and I'm like, you know, are we ever going to be those people that sit around and hang out? I don't think so, because we've been working for the entire 25 years that we've been together. We've had some project or another, but so right now, what I'm about to do before I go in, hopefully I can sit down for an hour before we have to go to bed. We're out here with our birdie boys hanging in the backyard, so it really is all good. I'm going to show you, I had yet another epic harvest of carrots, and there's still a bunch back there. But it was brutal because the ants were climbing all over me and biting me. Then some fly arrived, and the flies were biting both of us. Got John all over his neck. They got me all over my legs. I'm just filthy. So let's check out these carrots. I'm about to wash them before I take them in the house. I want to show you how beautiful everything is. So I managed to get a few Jimmy Nardellos and some Marconi peppers. We had a little bit of a tragedy with our peppers this year. I'll have to get into that. I'll have to go back and tell you everything that happened and what I'm doing to remedy it. It's a little bit of a lengthy process that I want to talk to you about. But I've got tons of Parks Whoppers here, tons. And you know, we're pulling these off before they're totally ripe because they're pristine and perfect, and I don't want them to split, even though I don't think we have any rain in a couple days, but I don't want to take any chances. So, and it slows down their ripening process. So look at this beautiful Jimmy Nardello's pepper. Wow, these taste so good, guys. All you have to do is cut the top off, slice them down the middle, and get the seed vein out, and then just put them in I hate to use the word frying pan because I don't really fry food. I saute it. You know, the difference is the amount of oil that you use and what kind of heat you're cooking it in. So I like to just pan blister these guys. I mix them in with shishitos and jalapenos, a little bit of cubanea, a little bit of Marconi, whatever's available. It's all really delicious and incredible. So what else did I get here? Some classic beefs. Got a couple big fat Amish pastes. So that's my little tomato harvest for right now. There's two other giant baskets that I took in of all other sizes. Got myself 4 Casper eggplants here, another Cocazelle zucchini. Got a handful of beans that I'll just wash them and I'll serve them to the birds fresh in the morning. They love these. And all I do is I put them in a bowl with a little bit of water, and I put another bowl, another like saucer on top of it to create like a lid. And then I microwave them for 2 minutes, and they come out perfect, and the birds love slicing down the vein and pulling the beans out. But these carrots are, oh my gosh, I mean, talk about a blessing. They're just filthy, and they have ants, so I got to make sure I get the ants off before I take them in the house. So I realized that it doesn't make sense for me to try to just take all this stuff in. Sometimes I'm a little stunad, you know, I take these things in the house thinking that's going to be easier. But, you know, I'm realizing it makes more sense for me to just take these big pile of carrots in the hose and hose them all down on the lawn and let the water go down into the lawn. And then I'll chop their tops off and I'll put them in a container to make sure I can scrub the embedded dirt off before I lay them out and let them dry. But this is probably $20, at least $20 worth of carrots right now. Organic carrots. Oh, these are the Uzbek carrots, you guys. I got these as a free gift free seed from Baker Creek. Wow, this was incredible. These are the best little carrots. Get the Uzbek carrots. Carrots that are taking the longest time for me to grow this year are the Atomic Red. Look, here, this one's a pretty good size. and the cosmic purple. Atomic red really is just taking its time. And if you let these go too long, they just turn into inedible. They're not chewable, nothing. So you got to know when to pull them out. There's some little Carota carrots. And again, this is a black nebula. This is just their growing pattern. I wish I could try to figure out how to get them where their taproot actually expands, because this is a delicious carrot and it's beautiful inside. I really love them. Oh, look at this. Oh, found for life. It's love. That's what it reminds me of. Look, it's almost like a heart on the top. Beautiful carrots. We've pulled out some interesting carrots through the years. It is like a heart. Look, they're in love with each other. Oh, with just different roots on them, and we like to make different jokes. And I had posted a picture on the Baker Creek Facebook group last year of a few carrots, and I'm like, I can't remember what I said, but it got so many views and likes and comments. People really enjoyed it. So I should probably stay up on my carrot comedies and show some of the little things that grow that come off of them as it happens. Maybe it's just funny to me. I don't know. That's a good carrot. That's a Carota. All right, I'm going to wash them. All right. Check it out, though. Grass is looking pretty good. Our big giant yard. We still have plenty of lawn left, even though we have all these big gardens over here. So all this is going, big section here. Like I told you in another video, we're going to develop this, and we're just going to have this whole center part of the lawn will be left, and it'll be like an English lawn. So I'm really into the English gardens and the English walkways and the English walls and all that stuff. All right. Ooh, look at these colors. Oh, really gorgeous. Wow, this makes sense. Where's my brain been all this time? I could have been doing this all along. If you only knew the mess I make on my countertop and in my sink trying to wash carrots. Like, what was I thinking? Probably because I usually pull these carrots out earlier in the morning. I'm glad I did it now because it just gets too hot. So you guys, if you have the patience and the time to bend over and pull your carrots out in the evening, it's just easier to see what you've got, and they're not going to faint as quickly, and you can wash them out in the lawn like this so you don't have to make too much of a mess on your counters. Wow, that's really beautiful though. Look at that. Look at those colors. Incredible. Wow. Hey boys. It's gonna be time to go in soon. Look at the beautiful sunshine coming through. Hey guys, are you being good? All right, Mommy washed the carrots in the hose. Farmer John's having an ice cream snack. It's almost 8 o'clock. Look, I washed all the carrots, you guys. Look how beautiful they came out. We took all the heads off of them. The colors are just incredible. Wow. Oh, I just happened to look up from working here with cleaning the carrots. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. My friend that I was saying, I could hear them over there having a party. They just invited us over. Yeah, I can just see myself now arriving for a party looking like this, with never brushing my hair today, with a filthy apron and filthy feet. She invited us to come to her hot tub. Her sister plays a harp, and her harp teacher's here from Scotland, and they're relaxing in the hot tub and swimming in the in-ground pool. And they're going to have a little harp concert over there, which I'm certain is really beautiful. And if I had a pool and a hot tub and I invited my neighbors and they arrived as filthy as I am right now, expecting to get into a hot tub, we would clear the pool. I mean, no one would want to be in the pool after that. Oh my goodness, but it would be bad. So look at what I got. Oh my goodness. Beautiful carrots. Wow. So remember, the key to this, you guys, if you're harvesting fresh carrots after you wash them, it's a little late in the day for me to be doing this because I like to make sure that they are thoroughly dry. But you can't put them away into a baggie in the refrigerator until they are dry, or they won't be able to store for months. So this is a lot. This is several pounds of carrots here. Really, really beautiful. So it's 8:30. Maybe I might actually get a chance to brush my hair today. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm probably going to sit down, get a shower, and sit down and just fall out. So my normal nightly routine here, it's 8:30. I got to close up the greenhouse. We're not supposed to get any rain. I'm probably going to leave this upper lid open a little bit, but what happens is, you know, the thing you battle with this is if you keep it closed for too long, it gets really, really hot. But on humid nights like this, it's probably going to get really wet in here. So I like to close everything up. I like to close up the door because you never know what is going to get into the greenhouse at night. It's another project for our to-do list, is to clean the greenhouse and get it ready for our fall plantings. So what are we going to work on tomorrow? We're harvesting blackberries. We're harvesting sweet 100 tomatoes, and John has to prune that plant. What else are we doing? We're splitting and planting bearded iris. Where are you going? What else are we doing? What else are we doing tomorrow? I have a food day. There's of course going to be weeding, and we're getting ready to go into our planting phases now that the weather's starting to change. We're going to have major excavation happening in 2 parts of the yard. We're talking about another plan that is going to be a big deal. So we just have a ton going on, you guys. I'm sure we'll be harvesting more tomatoes and more food tomorrow. So if you're interested in following along, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video, you guys. My name's Leigh. This is Farmer John. This is our beautiful backyard garden. Thanks for spending some time with us again, you guys. We'll see you in the next video.